Your HVAC system only works smoothly when the maintenance is done right. And let's be honest, skipping service is basically asking your AC to retire early. Regular cleaning improves airflow, gives faster cooling, and cuts down that crazy electricity bill. Dirty coils, clogged filters, low gas. That's how machines get overworked and break down. So here's the simple rule. Every 3 months, cleaning. Every 6 months, full service. Once a year, deep inspection. Blueace technicians handle every brand, every site, every tonnage, hotels, banks, offices, factories, everything. Don't wait for a breakdown. Do maintenance, save cooling, and keep your machine in long life mode.